Yes, students. अभी we finished off the first section. आप लोग भी अपने नोटबुक्स में जब ये लिख रहे हो तभी ये जो सब हेडिंग है ना वो ऊपर लिखना. अभी वो फर्स्ट वाला खत्म हो गया. Now we are talking about use of position vectors and laws of vector addition. Okay, for problem solving. Right? So you all can also write on in your notebook that is the subheading, and let's get going with our first problem. First problem, extremely easy, nothing much to be said. It's a triangle given to you. Okay, it's a triangle ABC, and you all are asked to show that. I think there's nothing to prove in this. Okay, ये जो है I believe all of you all ये प्रूव करना था. LHS is this AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar. AB bar means they will take you, that vector will take you from A to B. Then BC bar will take you from B to C. And CA bar will take you from C to A. And that means you're back at what you started off. Therefore, this has to be equal to 0 bar straight away. There's nothing to prove. That's what I said. Acha, in terms of position vectors also, LHS, if you say is AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar, okay, then can I write this as B bar minus A bar plus C bar minus B bar, always terminal minus initial, yes, and A bar minus C bar, So this, each of them will get cancelled, and therefore you will end up with 0 bar. और अगर ये ऐसे डायरेक्ट नहीं लिखना है तब भी AB plus BC will be AC bar. This is from your triangle law of vector addition. Okay. AB bar plus BC bar, where one vector ends, the other starts. Therefore, the resultant of these two will be AC bar, from where you started to where you ended. Okay, AC bar plus CA bar, obviously, will give you 0 bar. Hence the answer. So, nothing much at all. मतलब इसमें कुछ ऐसे समझाने और बताने की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है. You all can all easily understand that answer has to be 0. ठीक है? Okay. So that's it. That's done. You all can make a quick note of this as well. Okay. जहाँ इस section में possible होगा, वहाँ we try and talk about position vector method also and use of laws of vector addition also. Okay. जहाँ possible होगा. Right? Let's see. Go ahead. Second question, the B part. Come on. Second question, the B part में there is some quadrilateral given. Okay, which is, let's say ऐसा कुछ है. Okay, it is K, L, M and N. Okay, KL, MN, actually the quadrilateral is KL, NM, okay, and T is a point in the interior, not the point of intersection of the diagonals, it's just a point in the interior, okay. So here we are with, okay, a point T in the interior, and we got this. This is ready. Now, KL bar is A bar. Ln bar is B bar. Okay. Nm bar is C bar. All right. C bar. And KT bar is D bar. Okay. KT bar is D bar. In fact, all of you all, यहाँ पर, because they have given you these vectors itself, okay, I don't think we will actually work with position vectors. We will work directly using laws of vector addition. Okay, Now the question asks you for LT bar, then KM bar, TN bar, and MT bar in terms of A bar, B bar, C bar, and D bar. In terms of A bar, B bar, C bar, and D bar. Okay, तो अपने को चाहिए ये वेक्टर LT bar, KM bar चाहिए, KM bar, alright, KM bar चाहिए, then TN bar, alright, TN bar, okay, and MT bar, okay, MT, right, MT bar, ठीक है, okay, I think all मैंने फिगर में जो अपने को चाहिए वो मार्क भी करके रख दिया है, ओके। LT बार, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर फर्स्ट वन। LT बार के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, ओके। LT बार के लिए कैन यू सी ऑल गर्ल ट्रायंगल के LT अपने को ये वेक्टर चाहिए, ये डायरेक्शन में चाहिए, सो कैन आई से इन ट्रायंगल के LT KL bar plus LT bar is KT bar, KL bar plus LT bar, KL bar plus LT bar is KT bar, therefore LT bar is, all done, KT bar minus KL bar, which is D bar minus A bar, okay, D bar minus A bar, एक हो गया, done. LT bar is over. KM bar, I think all of you all, polygon law of vector addition. KM bar must be K से लेके M, L से लेके N से लेके M. That is essentially K से लेके. Polygon law of vector addition. So, by polygon law of vector addition, okay, of vector addition, can I say your KM bar is KL bar plus LN bar plus NM bar. See, all vectors are placed end to end. Where the first vector ended, next vector started. Then where that ended, next vector started, and you reach M. So the resultant of this must be where you started to where you ended. So this will be the resultant expression, which is A bar plus B bar plus C bar. All right, done. KM bar is A plus B plus C. Okay, then KM bar bhi ho gaya. Then we have TN bar. TN bar. All good. Can I use triangle LTN? And say triangle LTN में we need TN bar is what? So triangle LTN, okay, will give us LT bar जो अपने को पता है अभी, LT bar plus TN bar is LN bar. So TN bar will be equal to LN bar minus LT bar. TN bar will be equal to LN bar minus LT bar. LN अपने को ऑलरेडी मालूम है, LN is B bar minus LT is given by D minus. That means we can say A bar plus B bar minus D bar is TN bar. Yes. And last one is empty bar. चलो empty bar, empty bar पे तुम लोग खुद करो. Empty bar के लिए can I use this triangle and say KM plus MT is KT. KM plus MT is KT. तुम लोग खुद करो. Okay, I'm not writing that down. You all please complete that. Okay. MT bar मिलने के लिए KM bar plus MT bar is KT bar. Triangle law of vector addition again. in this triangle KMT. So empty bar will be KT bar minus KM bar. Empty bar will be KT bar minus KM bar. So D bar minus A plus B plus C. D bar minus A plus B plus C is fine. Okay, I think that's done. That's done. All right. चलो ठीक है. Good. I'm rubbing this out. Yes. This section that we're doing all theory आपको अगर ढंग से समझ में आया है तो problems are really okay, very simple. Okay, जितना हम लोग ने वो theory करते वक्त जितना अपने को difficult लग रहा था या अगर लग रहा हो तो now you will understand like really easy. It's very simple. Okay, basic understanding clear होना चाहिए, right? Okay, let's proceed to the next question. Next question में A B C D is a quadrilateral. Okay, C first. A B C D is a quadrilateral. So here we are with A B C D quadrilateral. कोई भी quadrilateral है. I'm not drawing anything specific. And you all are asked to show that. Twice AB bar plus 3 times BC bar plus 2 times CD bar plus DA bar plus CA bar plus CA bar plus DB bar. Now all we have to show that this is 0 bar. That means सब cancel होके 0 आना चाहिए. And I think working with position vectors will be extremely easy. So supposing I say this is equal to twice, okay, B bar minus A bar. अब अगर ऐसे लिख रहे हैं आप तो all in the figure that you've drawn, in bracket A bar, in bracket B bar, in bracket C bar, like you write coordinates. Alright, that same work is done by position vectors and vectors. You all know that. Okay, so आप ये लिख दो. So automatically we understand कि A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar are position vectors of these 4 points. With respect to some point as the origin. Some point, हम कोई तो एक origin है. मान लो origin इधर है. अगर origin इधर है तो origin से लेके A, this vector is A bar. Origin से लेके A bar. This is B bar. Okay. Then C bar and D bar. ऐसा. आप लोग मेरे को देख रहे हो कि नहीं? Alright, see what I am showing it to you all. This is the origin. Origin से लेके A is the position vector of A with respect to the origin. So OA bar is A bar, OB bar is B bar, OC bar is C bar, OD bar is B bar. ऐसा. That's what it is. Okay. Anyway, so I have written it this way. 2 times B bar minus A bar. ठीक है? Then plus 3 times C bar minus B bar plus 2 times D bar minus C bar and plus ये बनेगा A bar minus D bar plus A bar minus C bar plus B bar minus D bar. ऐसा I have written just plainly everything in terms of position vector. That's all. Okay. तो अब open out all the brackets and collect the right terms together. Everyone, अब मैं जरा एक एक करके Zara, I am going through the whole expression. Okay, let's look for a bar terms. Minus 2a bar, minus 2a bar, and a bar and a bar. A bar is gone. Okay, b bar. चलो 2b bar, 2b bar, 2b bar minus 3b bar. So minus b bar, minus b bar and b bar gone. B bar is also gone. 3c bar, 3c bar minus 2, c bar remains. C bar minus c bar, c bar is also gone. And d bar, 2d bar all 2d bar minus d minus d. So I believe you all will open out all the brackets, collect all of them together and say 0 bar. 0 bar is the final answer. 0 bar is the final answer. ठीक है? पहले आप ये लिखो. Okay, please write this down. Okay, I have drawn the figure. You are also supposed to draw the figure. Okay, draw the figure, and then LHS equal to. Complete that, you get equal to 0. ठीक है? ये जरा बराबर से लिखो पहले. हाँ, तो done. You've written this down. Okay. चलो, next, everyone. Next, if you all remember what I actually told you when I defined position vector of a point, मैंने शायद तुम लोग को वो एग्जाम्पल भी दिया कि मैं इधर है और किसी ने मेरे से कोई एक जगह का डायरेक्शन पूछा, तो मैं बोलेगा हाँ देखो 500 मीटर चलो, लेकिन जब तक मैं ये नहीं बोलूं कि यार 500 मीटर किस डायरेक्शन में चलूं, कैसे पहुंचेगा वो आदमी. सो आई सेड हाँ, so 500 मीटर्स westwards. चलो, तो बन गया वो पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ दैट प्लेस विद रिस्पेक्ट टू क्लास. बराबर. सपोजिंग दिस क्लास द बेस पॉइंट चेंजेस टू सम अदर प्लेस, and then from that point I ask direction. Obviously you are not going to repeat again 500 westwards. ये नहीं होगा. So it depends on the fixed point also. करेक्ट ना? एंड मैंने ये भी बोला था तुम लोगों को कि भाई आप ये मान के चलो कि भाई अपने लिए मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ टाइम दैट फिक्स पॉइंट इज गोइंग टू बी ओरिजिन, क्योंकि अपना कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम का ही काम है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम विल बी ओरिजिन. ओरिजिन को फिक्स पॉइंट मान के चलो. पोजीशन वेक्टर डिफाइंड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ओरिजिन है ऑलवेज. लाइक आई डिड जस्ट नाउ. आई सेड देखो भाई ओरिजिन इधर की है और ए बार बी बार सी बार डी बार डिफाइंड है. चलो डन. Now everyone, supposing, now what I am talking about now all of you is or second method. ठीक है? Or second method. Supposing in this sum I plan to take O, the origin, as point A. Alright, so origin जो इधर किधर था ऐसे ही मैंने ले लिया था. ओरिजिन ये है. ऐसे करके मैं अब ये आपसे बोल रहा हूं कि यू फिक्स अप दिस पॉइंट एज ओरिजिन. सो फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर्पस अज्यूम दैट अपना ओरिजिन द क्वाड्रिलैटरल इज अ प्लेन फिगर. सो लेट अस से दिस इज इन द एक्स एक्सिस एंड दिस इज द ओरिजिन. सो आई कैन ऑलवेज से ओरिजिन को लेके ऐसे क्वाड्रिलैटरल बनाया मैंने. Okay, no problem. Is it then fair to say now I can show that in the figure is B bar? Because what is B? What is this B bar? This B bar is the position vector of B with respect to the origin. With respect to this, that means from the origin to that point. Always position vector is from the origin to that point. Always. So from the origin to that means this is B bar. अगर ये आपने origin फिक्स किया तो ये B bar वेक्टर है, ये C bar वेक्टर है, C bar वेक्टर है और ये D bar वेक्टर है. Okay, you can probably even write D bar there because that's the position vector defined and this is D bar. So that means in my simplification all, in my simplification now can I say a bar करके कुछ आएगा ही नहीं because a bar is origin. So 2ab bar, see ab bar is b bar. That means this will be 2b bar. एक term का 3bc bar will still be 3 times c bar minus d bar. So see this is bc bar. Alright, bc bar. Can I say triangle law can be applied here? bc bar, b bar plus bc bar is c bar. So bc bar is definitely c bar minus d bar. That is known to us. That's what we did under projection vectors of points. Okay. So 3 c bar minus d. Then 2 d bar minus d bar. What do you think will be dA bar? dA bar means d to a. d to a. d to a मतलब ये बन गया minus d bar. Alright, minus d bar. In other words, this should have been a bar minus d bar alcohol, but a bar is origin. Origin is 0 bar. So 0 bar minus d bar. So minus d bar. Or ad bar is d bar, so dA will be minus d. Then plus. What is CA? CA minus c bar. Minus c bar. And plus b bar minus d bar. And once again, all of you all, now you all have to deal with only 3. B bar, C bar and D bar. And once again, you all will observe that this is equal to 0. Okay. ये मेरे को, I want you to write this down because यहाँ पर you will be thinking, अरे time pass कर रहे हैं. Okay. कितना easy solution already दिया था, फिर अभी क्या ये करने का क्या जरूरत है? No. The reason is I want you to understand कि अपने को हमेशा origin की तरफ बाहर लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. अपना जो फिगर है, अपना जो पॉइंट है ऑलरेडी, उसमें से ही अपना एक पॉइंट origin हो सकता है. Is that clear, everyone? So this is to be written as or specifically, specifically, everyone. Now if you all want to use लॉज ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन वो थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. आई थिंक दैट कैन बी अवॉइडेड. ओके. AB bar will be there, BC bar, CD bar, DA bar, they are all there. Maybe CA you all can actually write in terms of these two. CA bar can be written as CD and DA. CD and DA. And the DB bar will be DC plus CB. ऐसे करके then you will have to actually club. Okay, you want me to write that as well? चलो. This is a second law, and a third form of solution. चलो. A third form of solution. अब इस solution में everyone there should be no mention of position vectors at all. Or let us try to avoid position vectors as much as possible. Okay. I will continue to write twice AB bar, thrice BC bar, twice CD bar, plus DA. Yes, DA is also a side of the quadrilateral. Let it be as it is. Plus CA. देखो everyone. Now don't go by that's the reason why I say सिर्फ quadrilateral ड्रॉ करना. ये थर्ड सोल्यूशन के लिए only quadrilateral has to be drawn. Okay. हाँ. And no A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar कुछ नहीं लिखना है. Okay. Nothing at all. So just the quadrilateral drawn. I think it's the line. Okay. Now your mind should look at the figure and say CA bar. Okay, that means you're looking at a vector coming from C to A. So CA bar from triangle law can be written as CD and DA. CA bar can also be written as CB plus BA. Any one of them is okay. Alright. So CA bar को मैं लिखूंगा C to A will be C to D plus D to A. C to D plus D to A, triangle law. And dB bar ऐसा है, dB bar ऐसा है, इधर से इधर आया, सो मैं लिखूंगा CD प्लस CB, सॉरी DC प्लस CB, सो DC प्लस CB bar, ऐसे करें. This is triangle law of extension. Triangle law of extension. अच्छा, now before I go any further, DC bar and CD bar are equal and opposite vectors. Equal and opposite vectors. Please understand the relevance, the meaning of saying equal and opposite vectors. Equal and opposite vectors. का मतलब क्या हो गया? They are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. That means they will nullify each other. So nullify. लिख दिया. Gone. Crossed. Okay. Then CB bar alveol. CB bar. Can I say BC bar? तीन BC bar जो है उसमें से एक को nullify कर देगा. एक को nullify करेगा and I will get twice AB bar plus twice BC bar plus twice CD bar plus twice DA bar. हाँ है ना? All right, done. So I think this will be twice of AB bar plus BC bar plus CD bar plus DA bar, and hence 0. क्योंकि A to B, B to C, C to D, D to back to A. That means your displacement is 0. Therefore 0 bar. Hence the final. चलो. So here we will not use position vectors at all. Nothing at all. Simply triangle law, parallelogram law, whatever, and then get to the answer. ठीक है? पक्का? Alright. चलो. So that's your C part का first. Okay, C part का first, C part का second, C part का second. इसमें they said if M and N are midpoints of diagonals of AC bar and BD bar. चलो, if M and N are midpoints of diagonals of AC bar and BD bar. Okay, so here we are AC bar diagonal and BD bar diagonal. चलो, अब diagonals के midpoints ले लो आप. So here is one midpoint M and here is the other midpoint N. This is midpoints of the two diagonals AC and BD. Okay, and we are supposed, okay, 1 minute, huh? We are supposed to show that AB bar plus AD bar plus CB bar plus CD bar is twice MN bar. Twice MN bar. Okay. Twice MN bar. Chalo. Now, as per the directions in the question, AB bar, AD bar, CB bar and CD bar. Chalo. CB bar and CD bar. ठीक है भाई. Okay. ठीक है, done. Everyone, first let us get this done. ये दोनों से करेंगे. Let us get this done in terms of position vectors. Okay, in terms of position vectors. Right. चलो, method 1 in terms of position vectors. Right? In terms of position vectors. Okay. अच्छा, all around, because it is in terms of position vector, can I take figure में A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar. वैसे इसका M bar होगा और इसका N bar होगा. चलो, in terms of position vectors में सबके अपने position vectors होंगे. Do you know what is M bar or M bar? M and N क्या है? They are the midpoints of AC and BD. Midpoints of AC and BD respectively. Okay. So what is the M bar going to be? M bar going to be midpoint formula. याद है कि नहीं? सेक्शन formula के साथ corollary में किया था. As it is, you know midpoint formula. The same thing you have to apply here. So m bar is a bar plus c bar by 2 and n bar is b bar